because you have a certain number
Mm-hmm.
that you want to execute within the next 3 to 5 years. Talk to people about that number and why you want to do it so passionately.
So the mission is to create 1,500 plus new authors. Aspiring authors become published authors within the next 3 to 5 years. And, I know what it has done for the other clients that we have.
Mm-hmm.
And so I would love to see that. It's about a legacy, leaving something here. Even when you're long gone, you'll have your story and you'll have your business would have launched and you'll have the success that you want while you're here. And so that's the goal. And so far we've have over 210 was the last time I looked at the invoice count, but that's where we are, and we hope to continue to move forward with that.
And let me just add to that, Kelly. The book does 3 things, right? One, it makes you an authority figure, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because most people don't have a book.
Right.
Number 2, it's a way to generate passive income and then open doors that maybe never would have opened because you didn't have a book, right? But I think to me, is number 3. And number 3 is legacy. If you think about it, how many books have you read that someone written and they're no longer alive today?
Right.
I know I can count a lot. I mean,
exactly.
Let's start with Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, right?
Right.
That man has been dead for over 100 years,
Right.
right? And yet it's still a best-selling book. People's lives are still being changed.
Mm-hmm.
Think about Stephen Covey, 7 Habits of Highly Successful People, right?
Oh, yeah.
Stephen Covey is no longer alive, but people still buying the book. People's lives are still being changed.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, we could go on, but those names should be your name that I say. And that's how we start changing the dynamics in our communities.
Right.
That's how we start getting in places that we never dreamed of being in. I mean, I would have never dreamed last year being in California for 46 days. I would have never dreamed that, right? I mean, I know it's possible, but the book made it possible.
Right.
Different companies like Chick-fil-A and Comerica Bank and First United Bank, like those businesses and entities and organizations are a part of my platform now because I gave them a part of my experience and expertise, and it was because of the book.
Mm-hmm.
So, Kelly.
Yes, Bishop.
Deacon, no. What's the takeaway you want people to walk away with today?
Oh, I thought we already answered that one. Start today.
They need another one.
Another one.
Yeah.
Oh, full of nuggets.
Let's get one to the Christian community. Yeah. Yeah. What's the thing that you want the Christian community to walk away,
mm-hmm.
but yet execute?
That's a good one. You know what? The thought that first came to mind was that the Bible is a book.
Oh, so Kelly, let me stop right there. This is something else people say. Well, if the good Lord want me to write a book, I'll hear from him. I say, the good Lord's an author too, right? So if we're reading the Word, which is a book, am I right?
Right.
Why wouldn't the good Lord want us to do the same?